Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one's an iridium silver metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 255 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. We've got front and rear LED daytime running lights. For wheels we've got 18-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. A black MBTEX interior. Panorama sunroof. Come around back, we've got a trailer hitch, our GLC 300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, a set of all-season and regular floor mats, fold-down rear seats, cargo cover. Come alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, an LED logo which appears when you open the door, natural gray grain oak wood trim, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, we've got our touchpad steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance. This one also does come with the multimedia system, which is going to give you a 10.25 high resolution screen. Also comes with MBUX. You can give it voice commands by saying, "Hey, my Mercedes.
How may I help you?"
Change ambient light to red."
Okay, I'm changing the color.
So as simple as that, you're able to give it voice commands. With the multimedia package, you're going to get speed limit assist, navigation. Also on our 10.25 high resolution screen is now touchscreen. Let's go ahead and start it up. We've got a rear view backup camera, nice dark wood trim, dual climate controls, hard keys for our multimedia, wireless charging, USB ports, touchpad for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for our different driving patterns. This GLC has 3,347 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC, check out feldmanimports.com.